IOCL has been also saying in its statement. There has been no change in petrol and diesel prices. Retail fuel remains same and stable. There has been no hike in domestic LPG prices. The 14.2 kgs LPG rate, that also remains unchanged. The aviation turbine fuel, which is ATF prices, that has been kept stable for the airlines, and there is also no change in PDS kerosene rates. Now, the IOCL says that nearly 90% of the consumers will remain unaffected and fuel relief will continue for the public. So coming out with this statement, because this kind of relief is also necessary, Kritika, because why it is necessary as far as this calibrated approach that is made by, these oil marketing companies to actually align with the global trends while also protecting domestic consumers.
Well, absolutely. Earlier also, we'd seen how the government was also stepping in to absorb some of the, in fact, losses that the oil companies would also be facing while ensuring that there is price stability, specifically on the retail front and on the front of the major portion of petroleum products consumption is concerned. But of course, the politics over this is at its peak. Earlier also, much before, we had heard, in fact, from Rahul Gandhi as well, that post 29th of April, everything, the prices of all goods as well as services will shoot up. This will increase petrol, diesel, and in fact it is a mismanagement of the government when it comes to the oil prices, oil purchase mechanisms in place as well. This is something that was said by Rahul Gandhi much before the second poll of West Bengal elections as well, the second phase rather of West Bengal elections as well. Now we're seeing with the LPG cylinders, which, as you rightly pointed out, caters to not the majority of the petroleum product users. With the hike coming in here, we have the opposition once again, whether it is the Aam Aadmi Party or the Congress, hitting out strongly against the government, stating that with the elections and with the elections over now, we will be seeing, in fact, such inflated prices come in at different sectors as well. Over to you.
All right. So we'll also put out, as far as when it comes to the 19 kg commercial hike that is now being looked upon in major cities of the country. So Mumbai, it will going to cost around 3,024. In Bengaluru, 3,152. New Delhi, it will cost around 3,071. Ahmedabad, it will cost around 3,091. Kolkata, 3,202. But there are prices of the 5